having a nice day. This is Lily from Yihong Abrasives. Today we back to our factory to test and inspect our machine before the shipment. So we need to make everything perfect, same as our contract. Here is the machine working place, and here we can see that this is the feeding system. It is to put the close rows here, and here are the carbide cutters. They are very sharp. So here we can see it is 4 modes working place. So the 4 modes will ensure the machine high efficiency productivity, and it can produce 2,000 to 4,000 every 8 hours. And this is the machine screen. We can see that it is of OneView brand. So let's our engineer to run the machine, and let's see the machine performance together. Let's check out the electricity cabinet, and from here we can see that this is the Chen brand air switch, and here is the Delta PLC, and here also is the Delta motor drive. Here also the Chen brand air switch. So all of them is the same as our contract.